If your credit score starts with a 4, 5, or a 6, there is a new, more powerful credit repair software out there that anyone can use, and it's getting people crazy results. On today's episode, I'm going to be exposing exactly how it truly is super easy for anyone to work on their credit if you choose to use AI credit repair. I want everyone to truly understand that AI is going to be taking over credit repair across the United States because this is the new way to actually truly work on your credit, and anyone can do it. You don't have to pay a credit repair company hundreds and thousands of dollars when you can control the entire process and you see exactly what's going on. And no, this is not ChatGPT. You're gonna hear a lot of people out there gonna say, oh, I could just use ChatGPT to fix my credit. Then do it, fam. Show me exactly how you're gonna do it. Because a lot of people talk a big game, but they're truly not telling you the truth. You have to teach it how to actually dispute and what the credit reporting process looks like. It has to go through thousands of disputing letters to figure out what actually works. And that's the problem with ChatGPT. And ChatGPT doesn't understand the different tactics of disputing. There's Metro 2 compliance attacking. There's factual disputing, there's consumer law. There's no software out there that actually does all three until now. I'm gonna say it again. ChatGPT does not understand the credit reporting process. Anyone out there that's trying to work on their credit, you need to understand that you are up against a machine at the credit bureaus with Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. I want you to understand that eOscar was not created to actually help consumers. It was created to help the credit reporting agencies process your dispute letters much faster so they can get out a response to you as quick as they possibly can, because they are being inundated by millions of letters every single day. They can't handle the process, so they created eOscar to communicate faster with the credit reporting agencies, to the creditors, debt collectors, whoever is reporting that item on your credit report. The credit bureaus use this system because it benefits them. The credit reporting agencies make billions of dollars every single year from what? Subprime borrowers' information, your data. It's what we call big data. People think that the credit reporting agencies make money off of credit reports and credit scores. No, they're selling your data to subprime borrowing companies. So all of these massive lenders that are going to try to get you approved for a car with a bad credit score, for credit cards with a bad credit score, they're making billions of dollars from them. How do you think you magically get that email that says, hey, you got a bad credit score? We got a credit card for you right here. Oh, hey, you need an auto loan? Credit score's not that great? We got that for you. Oh, you need a personal loan to pay off that debt, but your credit score is not great. We got something for you too. And this is why it's super important for you to fix your credit, because the longer they can keep you down, the more valuable you become, and they can sell that information, and then you are going to be forced to have to purchase a car with a high interest, a home with a high interest, get horrible credit cards with really high interest. Your life becomes super expensive. And AI credit repair is one of the most powerful ways right now to work on your credit besides using an actual attorney. I want to be really clear, this is not ChatGPT, and this is definitely not the bootleg credit versio with their template letter-based system that makes you choose reason. No, it's definitely not that, and it's damn sure not the bootleg Dovely that's gonna charge you for only access to one credit reporting agency, and then if it's not on that one, it's still gonna attack it, but it's attacking nothing. It's crazy. It makes no sense to me. It's none of those.
You guys make me sick to my stomach, fam. Honestly, if you guys wanna look in my eyes, you guys wanna do something? You guys, that's what I thought. No, that's what I thought.
All these credit repair companies out there are not gonna tell you the truth that they cannot get to 100 clients or 200 clients or 300 clients by looking at credit reports manually, creating custom letters manually, filling out envelopes manually. It's just not possible. You would have to have all these human beings doing this, which is beyond difficult, because back in the day, I used to do it, which is pretty crazy you think about it now, but it's not possible to do that nowadays. If you're trying to have a bunch of clients in your credit repair company, you have to use software. Everyone's using software out there to work on your credit. And that's exactly why I helped create the most powerful, most advanced AI credit repair software ever created. It uses Metro 2 compliance attacks, also consumer law and factual disputing. It is the first of its kind. But think about this. It's much easier to create a bunch of template letters, put them in a database, and then you just choose a reason and it populates this one letter every single time. It's much easier to do that because consumers don't understand the difference between a template letter and then Metro 2 attacking disputing, factual disputing, and consumer law. Consumers don't understand the big difference, so this is why credit repair companies get away with this. Consumers have no idea that Metro 2 compliance even exists because everyone's been fooled that template letters work. I want to be really clear that this is not a sponsored video because I do in fact own DisputeBeast. It's going to create a custom flow to your specific issues on your credit reports, creating custom Metro 2 attack letters with factual disputing and consumer law every single round, never using templates, making sure to always attack the big three credit reporting agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. But it doesn't just stop there. We do care and we know exactly what we're doing, and that's the reason why we designed DisputeBeast to attack not just the credit reporting agencies, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, but also the creditors and also the secondary credit reporting agencies, LexisNexis, LCI, Innovis, ARS, Credco, Clarity, DataX, Microbilt, and FactorTrust. No, you don't have to freeze them, as I've told you before in other videos. That's not necessary. Instead, you need to attack those actual secondary credit reporting agencies. Freezing them is a huge waste of time, so that's why you want to attack the information everywhere. Unfortunately, no other software does that because they just don't care. DisputeBeast leaves no stone unturned, allowing you to perform credit repair at the highest level possible. Now let me show you exactly how easy it is to use DisputeBeast. Now once you set up your account with DisputeBeast, it's going to ask you to upload a picture of your driver's license and a picture of a utility bill in your name. Make sure that all of this is current and up to date. Do not send them an expired driver's license and don't send them an old bill from like 2019. Everything needs to be in the most recent 30 to 60 days. You're also going to have an option to upload a picture of your social security card. That's up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with. But understand the credit reporting agencies are playing games right now and they may ask for a copy of it. When you send it in with everything, that's going to show proof that you are exactly who you are when you send your dispute letters. Now you're going to hit the get started button. It's going to upload all of your credit reports, your scores. You're going to see all the negative items there. You're going to see your utilization, how many items are being, how many attack letters you've actually created, the total amount of deletions. Then you're going to hit this attack button, start attack. You can see it's already highlighted everything for you. It's pretty crazy. You can attack hard inquiries in here, but remember, it's going to let you know what to attack, what not to attack. If you attack something, it's going to send you a warning. All right, you see right here, disputing inquiries on your credit report. It's going to make sure that you don't fail. So this is foolproof. It's going to make sure that you do not make a wrong mistake, because that's what happens with people when they actually do credit repair. They don't know what they're doing. Then you just hit start attack. It's going to analyze your items, generating attacks. It's creating your custom attack letter for every single round. All of these letters it creates every round, you're going to mail all of them out, every single one of them. As you can see, it just created my letters. Now that's pretty crazy. You see TransUnion, there's 3 letters for TransUnion. You're going to send all of those. There's going to be another letters for Experian, the creditors. All of them are going to be there. It's really crazy. So you can either download your letters or you can mail them inside of DisputeBeast using the mailing partner, which is crazy. But look at that. How many of these other softwares only give you 1 letter for every credit reporting agency? No, it's more than 1 letter that you need to send out. And then you scroll down, you can see there's the creditors, and then there's all of the other actual secondary credit reporting agencies. And then you can download your copy if you want to, or you can actually mail them in there. You see right there. It's just really just that simple. And then once you do that, you're going to actually see all of your letters. Then you can actually print them out if you want to, if that's what you choose. It'll actually give you the pictures of what your envelopes are supposed to look like also, making this process super easy. And remember, the mailing feature is 100% live. So you can actually mail your letters inside of DisputeBeast and you never have to print a letter out anymore if you don't want to. If you're ready to fix your credit, make sure to comment DisputeBeast to get started today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We covered another big one on exactly how to use AI credit repair to fix your credit. Now make sure that you watch the next video because it is about Capital One and how to upgrade any credit card or get a credit limit increase also. Now, if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.